Hi loves! Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade oat milk. This is a very easy recipe and includes only 4 simple ingredients. Oat milk is tasty, it's creamy, it has many uses, and it's very quick to make at home. It takes less than 5 minutes. So let's jump right in. So for this recipe, you need oats, salt, dates, and water. So we have all of our ingredients, and first we're going to start with the oatmeal. You'll need 1 cup of oatmeal. And we're going to pour all of the ingredients into our high-powered blender here. And then you're going to add the water. You can use 3 to 4 cups of water, but I recommend 4. Now I'm going to add some dates just to sweeten the oat milk. And I'm only going to use 2. And if you don't have dates at home, you can also use maple syrup, 1 to 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add a bit of salt. This is completely optional, you can always skip this step. And all of our ingredients are inside and it's ready to blend. So I like to blend it for 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure that all the larger pieces are broken down into smaller pieces and it's well blended. But we're also going to strain this twice so we reach the smooth, creamy consistency that we love. So you're going to grab a large bowl, and we're also going to use our cheesecloth. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can also use a clean cloth that's thin, and we're going to place it over the large bowl. Now we're going to strain the oat milk to make sure that all the smaller chunks are removed. You'll slowly pour the oat milk into the covered bowl, and we'll do this twice because we want to make sure it's nice and smooth. And we're all done, and now we have this nice, creamy, delicious oat milk. This easy homemade oat milk recipe takes less than 5 minutes to make. You want to make sure that you keep it in an airtight container, make sure it's sealed, stays in the fridge. This should last you between 5 to 7 days, so enjoy. You can have this with cookies, granola, or, like me, I pour it in my coffee.